Hi everyone, with me today I have this black tactical folding knife and this thing is awesome. The 3.5-inch stainless steel blade is super sharp and durable, making it ready for anything, whether it's work, outdoor adventures, or just everyday tasks. I love the American flag laser engraving on the blade. It's such a bold and patriotic design, and the back has the words established in 1776 engraved, making it an even cooler nod to American history. One of my favorite parts is that it's not just a knife, it's a rescue tool as well. There's a built-in glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, so it's something you'll actually want to have on hand in an emergency. It has a smooth, easy open, and at 4.75 inches when closed, it fits perfectly in your pocket. Plus, the belt clip keeps it secure and within reach at all times. My husband loves having a good knife for work or random tasks around the house, and this one is perfect. Plus, it comes from a veteran-owned business, so you know you're getting quality craftsmanship. Whether you need a reliable everyday carry knife, something for outdoor adventures, or you just appreciate a solid, well-designed blade, this one is a must-have. Check it out on Amazon.